YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Today we are going to talk about some Toshi, but before we do that, guys, we got to dive into Bitcoin right now because as you guys could see, the markets are going. And just like I said yesterday, are we starting to see that Wyckoff accumulation pattern? Very interesting. Very interesting. I knew it. I knew it, dude. I was the only one saying it, but I knew it. I knew it. Anybody that watched last video, guys, come on. Was I not talking about it? As a matter of fact, let's talk about it again. Right? We'll talk about it again. It's Wyckoff accumulation. We just talked about it in yesterday's video. And by the way, guys, before I get into this, I just got to let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. I just talk about cryptocurrency. I just been doing this on YouTube now for like 6 years, okay? And been in cryptocurrency now for about a decade. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so just bear that in mind. But we talked about this Wyckoff accumulation pattern just yesterday. I was up at like 1 in the morning and I was telling people, is this what we're looking at right here? Very similar, right, to how Bitcoin was looking. Like look at this top, and then right here, right? Like I feel like we did something very similar, and we had this last drop. This was our last accumulation phase, possibly, and then we're gonna see another retest, possibly of 98. This would exactly fall in line to yesterday's video. Go watch yesterday's video. I was just talking about this Wyckoff accumulation possibly playing out right here. You guys can see we consolidate like this. This has happened to us before. This is why I thought I've been in this before. This feels like the Matrix right now. So I thought about that the other day. Again, it would fall in line with a lot of our long-term charts too. Again, we have this bull flag forming here, this flagpole with this flag. It jumps up, create this flagpole with the flag. Jumps up, we're creating a flag, right? But is the correction going to be similar to like it was right here, where it was quick little dip and it was a strong jump up? Or again, are we going to see a lot of rejection, and Bitcoin consolidate, creates some kind of wedge on this all-time chart, and again creates another bull flag? It jumps up. That's what it's looking like is gonna happen with Bitcoin. Either way, guys, again, kind of crazy, because your boy definitely called this breakout today. Go watch yesterday's video. But I want to look at the rest of the market, guys, because the rest of the market is going to start seeing a move with that Bitcoin pump as well. Now, we do know that Bitcoin has a certain amount of dominance over the market, but you could see Bitcoin's dominance yesterday was coming in at a 60, and now we're starting to see Bitcoin dominance slowly lower, which is good. This means that if we start seeing Bitcoin going up and the dominance going down, that means we're seeing altcoins running, right? We're seeing a lot of money flowing to these altcoins. And I've been telling you guys about a lot of these projects, guys, on the channel, including XRP. We've been talking about XRP. I just was talking about XRP in my live the other day, as you guys could see, coming in up now 12%. Is XRP going to flip Ethereum? Guys, I think so. I'm one of the only people that think XRP is going to flip Ethereum. Just throwing that out there as well. Let's talk about Toshi Coin today, though, guys, because that's what you guys want. You guys want some Toshi. As a matter of fact, guys, if we can get this video to 100 likes, I'm going to go live and we're going to talk about Toshi. As you guys could see, Toshi breaking down off of some key support off of that last Bitcoin dip. Toshi was doing great, right? We were hoping that we were going to keep rallying, and then we saw this big Bitcoin dip, and then we saw a lot of fear in the market. Now, I feel like price is not yet ran because this Bitcoin jump has not yet priced in. If we could even hold it, right? It looks like we might not be able to hold it. It might just be some more volatile consolidation. But again, can Bitcoin continue to rally and jump up? As a matter of fact, I want to pull this up right now, guys. I really feel like it's all eyes on Bitcoin. There's no doubt in my mind that Toshi Coin has the volume that it needs. But the only thing that is a concern to me is, can Bitcoin rally? That's what's a concern to me, right? We watched this big jump up happen. Again, look at this big spring. Wow. Interesting. Do we start creating higher lows now? That's what I want to know on Bitcoin, right? We're going to talk about it, guys. Again, if we can get this video to 100 likes, we're going to go live today and we're going to talk about some Bitcoin. You guys can see we're sitting on some key resistance right here on this 1 minute right now. And Bitcoin's needing to decide. Does it want to carry on, right? We're creating a nice bull flag right here, actually. This might be a long situation for some people, right? Maybe we break down. Oh, print in red. We're going to print red or we're going to print green, guys. You can see the 30-minute also. Looking like we might see some red. Interesting, interesting. Let's see. Let's see if we break above this. I think that this is a long opportunity. Personally. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a, sometimes I trade, guys. Sometimes I trade. I've been known to take a trade or two. But, yeah, this seems to me like we can continue on off of this. Again, this was the pattern that I was paying attention to see if this would play out. Like we just talked about it the other day on the channel. Gotta start closing some of these candles. Oh, big red. Get wrecked, Crypto J. Get wrecked. Sheesh. Sometimes that happens, guys. But again, we're still holding above 97, so definitely not yet broken down. We're still have some support. If we could start catching some. Dang, bro. What the? These boys are printing red. Sheesh. Wow. Big green followed by... Look how much green printed. This is heavy sold, bro. Let me pull up the RSI. What the? We got to be heavy sold right now. Oh, no. We can drop down a little more on the RSI if we wanted to. Interesting, though. Breaking up above that 96. We got to start catching here. Wow, another red. That is amazing. Come on, Bitcoin. Got to start rallying here. Anyway, I could get glued to these charts, man. This is like the Super Bowl to me. I could just watch this stuff all day. Here we go. Okay. Starting to see some positive price action. Got to start making our way back up to that second Keltner channel there. Right? Could possibly have some kind of a wedge forming here. And maybe be seeing some breakup off of that. Possibly. Right? We don't want to see a bear flag. Look, we could see we created this shoulder, head, shoulder here. And that created some spill off. And then we had a bear flag there. That created some spill off. And then we were able to catch a little bit of footing. Right? This is what we need to start building some support. We need to start building some support and cutting up. Right? Come on, man. Bitcoin just looking very volatile right now. We did talk about the fact that, you know, normally fake outs happen early in the week, I feel like, personally, just from watching these charts. And again, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. I don't know. Usually fake outs happen early in the week, around like Monday, Tuesday, and then you'll see some real price action around Thursday, Friday. That's what I always say, guys. And then sometimes into the weekend, you'll sometimes see some sell-off normally, right? And then again, fake out Monday, Tuesday sometimes, and then real price action on Thursday. And I actually asked ChatGPT if that has truth, and you can do it yourself, guys. That has some truth to it, guys. So, again, usually I trade at crazy hours, too. I'm trading in the middle of the night a lot of the time. I just trade when there's volume. So, but you guys can see we're having a lot of volume on Bitcoin right now. Can Bitcoin continue on and create higher lows and continue this rally? Are we going to retest this 98 range? We got to see if we can get some kind of double bottom. You guys can see we're starting to break up above this Keltner channel right here. Again, guys, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. We got to get this to 100 likes. I got to go live, guys. It's very key time, guys. It's a very important time. You guys want to be able to follow this alongside with me because, again, it can go either way, right? We talked about the fact that either we're going to jump up to that 98, and that's big. That could be big, especially if we can break out of that and get to that 100. What's going to happen if we can get to that 100, guys? That's going to be pretty big. but we can also reject and we can drop down to that 94. Look at Bitcoin starting to stretch up into that second range, right? This is good. We want to see Bitcoin continue to close some of these candles in the green. You guys could see we just printed big green right now. What do you guys think? You guys think that Bitcoin is going to start jumping up and looking good? I do think that if Bitcoin can start creating some more of a positive trend, we could start seeing a little more life in the market. Let's check out Toshi also and see what Toshi's doing. Toshi looking like it's just kind of sitting still, waiting on the show, right? Seems like it just wanted to go. Things were looking good. But again, now we're on Toshi breaking below this Kellner channel on the 15-minute, right? On the 30-minute, we're breaking a little bit below the second Kellner channel. This is not terrible. We could still continue and be solid on some of these more macro charts too. You guys could see on the 1 hour we're still intact. We're still creating higher lows on Toshi here. So this is actually pretty good. You know, we need to create more support in this 300, above 300 really. A lot of people, we were talking about this coin at like even 295. I mean, we were talking about this coin 6 months ago, to be honest with you, but we were talking about this coin at like 295 last week, and I was saying, you know, we had a lot of support down here at the 300 million. Hopefully we're not going to see a retest of that 300 million, but again, we want to create some more support above that, right? That's what we want to see. We want to see this thing start building some healthier volume. So as you guys could see, Toshi right now sitting on this second level of this RSI, and possibly if we could see Bitcoin decide it wants to cut up, then maybe it'll do something. But again, Bitcoin looking very volatile. I think we can still continue this on actually, even though again we're starting to print a little bit of red here and it is volatile. They are trying to liquidate a lot of people too. So you know, they do try to liquidate these longs and these shorts. And the fact that Bitcoin did have this run up, it could still break down a decent amount and still be intact for creating higher lows too. So definitely something to pay attention to. It's gonna be a lot of back and forth today, man. It's been like this all week, man, just agonizing. And it's funny because these moments, I mean, I've been in this for a long time, so again, I don't get as emotional as I used to, but it's just so like, it's agonizing because you're like, you don't know what's gonna happen, right? We're pretty much at a moment of very key decision of are we gonna have some euphoria back in this market? Because I'm telling you, if Bitcoin can make it to like 100K, it's gonna shoot right back. That Fear Green Index, boy, is at like a 38 right now. It's gonna shoot right back up to like way over here, bro, because people are gonna be like, I knew it wasn't over. I knew it. I'm like, bruh, come on, man. You wasn't thugging out in the trenches with your boy Crypto J over here making videos every single day, like 4 videos a day, and going live like twice a day for like an hour. Like, what the? Like, come on, bro. Come on. These guys were not with us shooting in the gym, guys. These are the moments right here. These are the moments that put hair on your chest, boys. All right? The moments of uncertainty. When you're stepping into the abyss, right? When a lot of people are saying, I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. I don't like it, right? Looks like we've seen a rejection right here out this 30-minute. But you gotta have some conviction behind things, you know. And again, I'm not saying that Bitcoin can't break down and drop lower. It could always break down and drop lower. That's the way the game goes, buddy. It could always break down and drop lower. But if it does, guys, I'm still looking at dollar cost average. Again, market looking very volatile right now. Toshi seeing little tiny bit of sell action, but it just seems like overall not much of anything. In the past 5 minutes, only down 0.53%. Just not a lot of volume right now. We want to see this market pick up, and if the market can pick up, then the volume can pick up too, probably, I would assume. Again, we do know that Toshi just got their Kraken trading as well for futures, so interested to see what's going to happen with that. Are we creating some kind of a flag pattern here, right? We got this pole, we got this flag. Are we gonna cut up, or do we need to correct down more, right? We don't want to see this thing create a head and shoulders reject off of this and then, you know, keep going. We want to see this thing start cutting up. We need to see a clean cut up. We do know that we have a decent amount of resistance down at that 97.5. Are we going to start breaking out of that? We'll see, guys. We'll see. Anyway, let me know what your guys' price predictions are for Toshi Coin, for Bitcoin. Do you guys think that Bitcoin's going to break out right now? Again, we get this video to 100 likes. I'm going to go live today. I'm going to keep making you guys videos, guys. You know your homie Crypto J gives you guys the best breakdown. Some people say I give the best Bitcoin breakdown, guys. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the homie. We just talk about Bitcoin. I just try to make educational content, guys. I hope some of you guys are actually learning how to read these charts. I had so many people, guys, have told me just in the past 2 weeks. I've learned more in this channel in the past 2 weeks about trading and made me more confident as a trader than I've learned on YouTube in the past couple of years of watching all these other guys. You will, guys. You'll learn a lot of stuff. As a matter of fact, I'm great at charts and stuff like that, but I'm also really good at contracts, guys. I'm amazing at checking these contracts, and it's so important to learn how to check contracts, guys. I can't even explain it to you. It's more important to know how to check a contract than to check a chart. Because again, if it's not in the contract, if the contract is a scam and it was like bundled before you even got in and like is a mess, then you might get wrecked, bro. So again, I don't want to see you guys get wrecked. That's why I created all the resources that I've created, guys. I've dedicated a lot of time into crypto, and I just want you to understand that if I ever wanted to start a coin, guys, I could have started a coin years ago. Okay, I could have created a coin, and I could have called it Crypto J Coin. And again, I will never do this, by the way. If you ever see a Crypto J Coin, it's not my coin, guys. But I could have made a Crypto J Coin, and I could have launched it, and I could have made a bunch of money, and people could have lost money. A lot of people do this, guys. Even we're seeing like big people do this now. You know, I've never wanted to do that, guys. I've always said I want to. I know that Bitcoin has a future. I know that blockchain has a future. I believe in this space. I've always believed in this space. Again, 1,600 videos on YouTube, 6 years in this space on YouTube alone. But I always wanted to be a part of helping people learn the space, because it's a lot of people that will try to take advantage of you, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of people that are gonna try to take advantage of you, especially right now, more than ever, guys. More than ever that I've seen in it. I mean, I thought Binance Smart Chain was bad, guys. I don't know. Maybe Solana's worse. What do you guys think? Do you guys think Solana is worse with scams than the Binance Smart Chain? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, but definitely something that I've been paying attention to. And I haven't been messing around too much with the Solana meme coins in a minute, actually, because of that. Just because I feel like, dude, it's just too sketchy. There's too many, and there's too many rugs, guys. I checked those contracts. I checked them very good, guys. Up and down. I check them. And I've seen a lot of scams. It's just disturbing, which again is why I am long on these projects that are vetted by by companies like Coinbase and stuff like that, big institutions. And I look to dollar cost average into these types of meme coins right now, because I feel like things like Toshi has a good chance of doing good. As you guys could see, Toshi Coin now has 541,000 holders, looking a little bit volatile right now, because again, Bitcoin looking a little bit volatile, but Bitcoin gonna start picking up and kicking up. Maybe Toshi can start turning it around and looking pretty good. Bitcoin looking like it might want to again retest that 98 range, and that will be crazy. That will be crazy, guys, because again, nobody was talking about what we were talking about in yesterday's video. Nobody, because I had just seen it in the chart, like literally like that day, like a little bit before I shot that video yesterday, that live. I was like, what the, this Wyckoff accumulation, what the, I've seen this before. You know, I've been in this market, guys. It's not my first this is not my first bull rally. It's not my second, it's not my third, this is my fourth. So again, I'm a little more patient. My mentality is different. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a little bit more of a patient person. I'm a lot more conservative. I've evolved as a trader, guys. You'll evolve in this game as in cryptocurrency. You'll learn. Sometimes you got to learn the hard way. We'll learn the hard way, right? But as always, guys, as long as you're learning, as long as you're getting better every day, then that's the goal, man, right? Isn't that the goal? You get better every day. Level up. Anyway, guys, I want to go live, so let's get this video again to 100 likes, and we'll go live. We'll talk about this market volatility. We'll talk about Toshi, and we'll talk about XRP too, guys. I got to talk about XRP because there's so much going on with that. Anyway, guys, I want you guys to tap into the free Telegram. I got a free Telegram. I made it for you guys to be able to connect with one another, and for the new people to be able to ask questions and stuff like that. Again, not a place for financial advice. You can also run contracts in there. You could put in your contract, and it will give you a breakdown of like all the information that you need to know about, like, is there snipers in it, how much the dev owns, was there any money airdropped and stuff. This is all stuff that you guys need to know, how much the top holders own and stuff like that. It's stuff that maybe you don't know is important right now, but it's extremely important. It's like, it's vitally important. So again, get in there. If you don't have access to those tools, join even if you do have access to those tools, guys, because again, we have a community in there that's amazing. But also, if you want to level up to the next level, guys, I got my Patreon as well. I will link you guys my Patreon. You could have access to me. You can ask me questions. We could talk about trading. We could talk about contracts. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do like to talk about crypto, and I'm interested in a lot of stuff that you guys are talking about also. So I'm always looking for that next 10x, 100x, 1000x coin. As a matter of fact, guys, if you guys know of any really good coins right now, let me know in the comment section. As a matter of fact, guys, I think I'm going to talk about a new coin today. It's a coin that I've been hearing a lot about, guys, in the comment section. You guys have been talking about it a lot, so I think I should make a video on it, as well as I heard some pretty bullish news about these guys. So definitely check out my next video, guys. It's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.